Corpus Christi water technicians competed in the Texas Water 2018 conference for the first time in nearly 20 years. Water treatment and water quality staff gave lectures as part of the convention. The Corpus Christi Water Department participated in the Texas Water 2018 conference in April in San Antonio. The three-day conference featured lectures from industry professionals and competitions with water operators from city governments across the state. 7 Corpus Christi utility technicians showed off their technical skills against other Texas cities at this year's conference. They competed in several timed events, including pipe fitting, pipe connecting, and the dismantling and repair of a water meter, and a best-tasting drinking water contest.
It was exciting, and some people were a little stressed about it, worried about having to compete at that level in front of people, but it was fun. We met a lot of other people from the other cities who were competing there, the other competitors, which was good. We had to do some interaction with them, and hey, you know, what kind of thing were you experiencing? What's your time? This and that. So it was overall a fun experience, and we learned. Now what's good about we actually learned kind of what the judges are going to look for when they start tearing things apart to see, okay, you lose points for this, lose points for that, and so now we know. So next year when we go back, I think we'll be more prepared. I think we'll do much better next year.
Water treatment staff also made presentations in chemicals used to control algae growth in water treatment plants, treating nitrification, and using chlorine dioxide. Water quality staff offered a presentation on reducing the number of dead-end mains for water quality improvement. Water department staff will give lectures at the National Convention in June in Las Vegas. Reporting for the City of Corpus Christi, I'm Eva Padilla.